All right. So, what happened? Everybody got kicked out, or it's only me? Are you guys with me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I see Kiara also. Hello, beta. Okay. All right. So let's get started. So first thing first, and everybody in the class, make sure that whether you are at home, you are in the classroom, or you are in the car, everybody pays full attention to what we're going to learn. Okay. All right. So we'll start with the tables first. So let's see what all do you guys remember. Okay. So Kavi, which table till which number you remember? 3. 2 8 ja.
16.
3 5 ja.
10.
3 5 ja. 15. 3 8 ja. I will fall 24. 2 9 ja. No sign language, no sign language. 18. 3 7 ja. 'See, somebody is dancing. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Let's say 3 7 ja, how much? 21. So Kavi, I see there's one good sign. The good sign is you have found out how to get the value. There's a bad sign also. The bad sign is you have not practiced enough. So see, that's what I was saying, right? I'm not rushing you guys to memorize table till 8 9 10. I'm saying, okay, whatever you know it solid, know it accurate, and be fast. So I will ask you not to go to 4. Stay till 3. But next time, in the next class, when I say 3 6 are 18, 2 9 are 18, 3 5 are 15, 3 7 are 21, 3 9 are 27. It has to come like this, okay? And I request your parents also, and Kiara is here listening to me as well, right? So make sure that everybody reminds you that you're practicing every day for 5 minutes. If you're not practicing tables every day 5 minutes, then how will it go forward? Okay? Alright? So make sure that you practice better, and request to everybody in the family is to make sure they remind you, okay? I know this is summer break going on, there's a lot of fun activity going on, but then 5 minutes, okay? Yeah? Yes, Kavi, you're saying something? You have raised your hand.
Can I speed up on my threes table?
It's not about speeding up. You have to just practice every day for 5 minutes. If I were you, this is what I will do. Okay, I have been given the task of memorizing table of 2 and 3. Let me do. Every day, I have a notebook where I have the tables written. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. Okay, I know it now. 3 5 ja 50. Okay, 3 7 ja, 3 7 ja, I forgot. Okay, 3 7 ja 21. 3 7 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21. You'll do it 5 times. So, unless you play with the tables will keep on playing with you, okay? It's a choice that you have to make. Either you play with them or they will play with you. Alright? And when you memorize it, after spending those 5 precious minutes, catch hold of somebody in the family, be it mommy, daddy, be it Kiara, anybody. Say, okay, can you ask me questions? Let's see if I remember them. If you do that in a more playful way, you will see it becomes more fun. And I'm just waiting for you guys, you all to memorize table till 9 and be solid with that. The day you become solid with table till 9, you will see division multiplication becomes like a baby's game. Okay? That's what I want you guys to become.
I have something to say. I'm gonna join on the computer.
Okay, that's okay. You go ahead and do that. Kanishka, ready?
1 second. I have everything to do.
Nothing to be done in the class. When the class is going on, only thing we are doing is math. Okay. Table till
4,
2 5 ja,
10,
3 9 ja,
it's 28.
27.
Oh,
4 5 ja,
20,
4 7 ja,
28,
3 7 ja,
21,
2 9 ja,
18,
3 5 ja,
15,
4 9 ja,
36.
Yep. How does it feel, Kanishka? How did it feel today? Loser. Now, Kanishka, you tell me, how did it feel when you were trying to answer those questions to me? How did it feel to you?
Much quicker.
Much better. Quicker is my observation. But see how confident you were sounding, right? You gave me one wrong answer. When I said 3 9, you said 28. But that was the only wrong answer you gave. So you were able to give me right answer and you were quick also. And trust me, there's no magic. There's no magic. It's only hard work. I can clearly say that you have been practicing tables. That was visible when I heard you answer my questions. Yeah? Okay? So I'm very happy, okay? I want to be happy for everybody. That's why I keep pushing you guys.
Can I go to table 5?
Let's see. 5 4 ja.
Huh?
5 4 ja. No prompting, no prompting.
Okay, I'm not counting.
No prompt. I'm saying no prompting because Mr. Kavi was trying to tell you the answer, like you were trying to tell him the answer. Okay. Okay.
I wasn't telling him.
Okay, that's okay. So what is 5 2 ja?
5, 2 is
10. Okay, so it's fine, but don't rush. Don't rush. Yeah, I know you. So you'll be able to find out. Okay. So again, now don't go to 5 beta. Okay. This is my request to you. I'm not in a hurry. You guys are still babies. Okay. You have a lot of time.
I know 5, 4.
Yeah. So let's practice it and then we'll talk about it. Okay. So we have enough time. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want you guys to get stressed. I want you to enjoy. So right now, when you were answering tables for 4, you were actually enjoying it. I want you guys to enjoy what you do. Okay? Okay? So Kavi, same thing for you, beta. Make sure that table till 3 has to be super quick, super accurate. Kavi, I'm talking to you. I'm saying table till 3 before the next class has to be super quick, super accurate. And that will happen without any magic. By 5, only thing you have to do is 5 minutes every day. Yeah? Okay? Alright. So, one kid is still missing. One kid is still missing. That is, okay, let me see, where, yeah, please. And don't turn off your video. And
I'm coming back in a second.
okay. All right. So let's get started now. So what are we going to learn today? Any idea? Any guess? Okay. So let's practice that bit, okay? Let's not rush. Let's not rush. You did a good job today, okay? That makes me very happy. And I want to be happy for each one of you, okay? When I see when I'm teaching math, I'm very, very happy about it. I like math. I want you guys to start liking math as a subject, okay? That's what we're working on. Now, so you focus on table till 4, make it rock solid, and then we'll go to 5, okay?
A little more practice.
Yes, every day. Practice, play, whatever you call it, okay? Now, what are we going to learn today? Kavi, are you back?
Division again. Not the 3, like 3 divided by like 5. 3 divided by 5. That.
Okay.
I'm gonna do like that one.
Three
I want to do like 5 the thing and then 3 digits. I don't want that one.
Okay. So is everybody back? So let's quickly check what you guys remember with respect to division, and then we'll try to understand something about a new thing called fraction. Have you heard of
I
fraction?
know fractions.
You already know fraction?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll check. We'll check. Don't worry. There are kids even in 5th grade who don't know what is fraction, okay? So we'll see. That is too big an eye, Kavi. It's okay. Okay. Let's first quickly check how much you guys remember when it comes to division, okay? I'm saying divide 15 by 3.
Okay.
Kavi, do it.
So,
Yeah.
3,
Divide 15 by 3.
3. First, you have to find the matching,
The biggest number you can go to.
yeah, in the table.
Okay. And how far you can go?
We can go to
3 times 5.
What is that?
3 times 5.
3 times 5. So,
That's a bingo because
yeah, it's perfect match.
it's the
Correct.
same.
Correct. So here look at this. Again, when it comes to our step-by-step process, what we do, we look at the first number. Oh, 1. 1 is smaller than 3. I don't want to use this. 1 will never come in the table of 3. Then I have to look at both the numbers. 15. Then I look at the second number, 15. Okay, 15. Does 15 come in the table of 3? Let's see. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 50. Oh, 3 5 ja 50. Bingo. What is my answer? 5. How do you relate it? If there are 15 candies to be distributed among 3 kids, everybody gets 5. Yeah?
Yeah, I knew that because 3 plus 5
Right.
plus 3 minus 5.
Okay. Now let's look at it this way. See, it's not just about solving the problem. It's about understanding how we go about solving a problem. Let's say if I have to divide 17 by 2.
17 by 2.
What will I look at? The first number. Is 1 bigger than 2 or smaller than 2?
Smaller.
We cannot take this, right? We need something bigger than this.
I definitely don't want to take it.
So 17. How far we can go? Kavi, this time.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 16, 2 6 are 2 6.
2 6 are 16. Who says
Yeah.
so?
Me, because
No. You are going quick and going wrong. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are
12.
12. Then why 16? Okay, go on. Continue.
2.
2 4 no.
It's okay. Do it one more time from begin. I'm sorry.
6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. So 2 8 are 16. So 2 8.
Okay. If you go to 2 8s are 16. If you go to 2 9s are, what will happen? 18. You don't want to go to 18, right? You don't want to subtract 18 from 17. Correct?
Correct.
So you will stop at 2 8s are 16, as you guys rightly said. When you subtract 16 from 17, what do you get? 1. What does it mean? How you make a story out of it? It is like there are 17 apples to be distributed among 2 kids. Everybody gets 8. 1 is still remaining. Yeah? Is that a good story, Kavi?
Where's Kanishka?
That is not the subject. My question was this. I was saying, when we divided 17 by 2, what did we get? 8, and we got 1 as remainder. How do we build a story out of it? If you relate this in real life, it is like if I am distributing 17, let's say, apples among 2 kids, everybody gets 8 apples. 1 apple is extra. Yeah? That is what remainder is. Okay? Yep, yeah, Kavi.
I cannot see her screen.
You cannot see the screen. I'll give you a chance. Can you see it better now? No reflection. Can you see it better now, Kavi? Then you have to disconnect and join again.
Okay.
Yeah. Kanishka, are you able to see?
Yes.
Okay. So what I was saying was, whenever you divide a number by another number, or when you distribute something among this many people equally, this tells you how much everybody gets. And if there's a remainder, that means that is extra, that cannot be distributed. Correct? Yeah?
Yes.
Can you see it now, Kavi? Kavi, can you see the screen now? Kavi, are you able to see the screen? Take the pen out of the mouth, then you can speak. Okay.
I cannot hear you.
Can you hear me now? I'll give you $500. Can you hear me now? I'll give you $500. Can you hear me now?
My volume's at 100.
Can you hear me now?
1 minute.
Again?
Okay. Leave that. So, again, did you understand this, Kanishka?
Yes.
Okay. Kavi, can you hear me now?
He's playing with you. He's playing with you. He's tricking. He's definitely tricking you.
Mm-hmm. Does that help? Does tricking help?
The learning.
Let's see. Kavi, can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me now, sir? Are you able to hear me?
I think.
Wait. Uncle is trying to fix that. Give him a minute.
Okay. And then we will start.
Fractions.
Actually.
Yeah. Can you hear me now? Kavi, stop dancing. It's a math class, not dance class.
It's not dance class. Why are you dancing?
I cannot hear you.
I can hear you, Kavi.
My dad is working on it.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
No. No.
I think something's wrong with that.
I'm not able to hear you.
What about me?
I can hear you, beta. I can hear
What?
Kanishka. I can hear Kanishka. I can hear Kavi as well. I'm not sure if Kavi is not able to hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay. Kavi, why don't you join from phone for a little bit?
I think he can hear.
Okay. Let me.
I think the problem is with that.
Wait.
I need you to turn up.
Okay, so they're disconnected to fix that.
Okay, it's okay. Let's give them some time.
Can
Okay.
we start the fractions?
Yes, we will. I'm just trying to make sure that when I start,
Fractions.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Kavi, can you hear me now? Kanishka, hold it. All right.
Okay, so they're fixing it again.
Wait. Please ask Kavi to join from phone.
Math is really fun.
Yep. That's what I want you guys to say. And that's what I want you guys to believe.
I can believe that.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Let me do one thing. While we're waiting for Kavi to join,
Test me.
what do you see right now?
A circle.
What do you see now?
It's one divided by 2.
I have divided the circle into two parts.
And I can tell the answer.
Wait. You guys are in a hurry always. Don't do that.
Divided by 2, 3, 4.
Wait. Okay. Now, if you look at the blue part, how much is that of a circle? Only the blue.
6.
No, I'm saying only the blue part. Blue part is how much of the circle? Half of the circle. Similarly, if you see the red part, how much is that of a circle? Half. Okay. And how do you write half?
H.
Is this something that looks like half?
Yes.
1 by 2.
1 divided by 2.
Yeah. So one circle is divided into two parts. That's why every part is called half. Yep. Now let's play with this.
Let's play. I like playing with fractions.
Now I was in a different mood. What did I do this time?
You made it to 4.
I divided this circle into 4 parts. Yeah. This is one part. This is another part.
4 divided by
Then,
1 divided by 4?
yeah. See,
That's easy.
that's easy
I can
peasy.
write it down without the color. What
Yeah.
it is.
I'm just trying to make it look visually also clear to you guys. So now
Also
I
fun.
have the whole circle was divided into 4 equal parts. So in the earlier case I was saying 1 by 2. Now I'm saying one circle is divided into 4 parts. And this is one part of the circle. If you look at this circle as a pizza, hey Kavi, can you hear me now?
Yes.
You had the luxury of missing the class for 10 minutes. Let's come back and stay focused.
Can you trust me now?
Yes. Okay. No, so okay, guys, don't get super excited. Let's first learn and then we will play. If we just play, that becomes a problem. Now, Kavi, we are learning something which is called fraction. Okay?
I
Have
know
you-
what fraction is.
You know what is fraction, but you only know the surface of the fraction. We are going deeper into it. Okay? Okay? And fraction is something that you will deal with even in 5th or 6th grade. Okay? So don't think that you already know everything. And if you think that you know already, let me see. If I ask you to add these two fractions, how much that will be? Do you know how much that will be? You don't know. You would not know because.
Wait, I know.
Okay, 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 is how much? Do you know how to find it out? No. You would not know. I mean, I know.
Wait.
What to wait? There are only two options. Either you know it. What is that? What is that? 9. If you say 9, you will get 0. Because that is not the right answer. Loman. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You might have heard about fraction, but there's a lot more to learn. Kavi here. Kavi, I need your full attention, beta, okay? Don't get distracted. Don't keep on chewing the pen. Put the pen down. Okay. Here. Kanishka, where did you go? Okay. So what I'm saying is, you guys would not know what is fraction. You would know what is fraction, but you would not know how to deal with fractions, okay? Because that needs something that we have to learn. And you guys would have not learned by now. So don't worry about it. Don't really worry about it, okay? That is what we are going to learn now. Okay? Now, pay attention to whatever I say. I only need your attention for next 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes, 25 minutes to be precise. Okay?
Yes.
Now, what does this look like? What does this look like? You guys have not seen something like this before? Kanishka, stop playing with the beta. Here, pay attention to the question I'm asking. Take the flower out. Okay. What does this look like? What does this look like? Circle. Or something that you guys like? Hey, Yugan.
Hi.
Hello. So Yugan, you have not missed anything so far. We just checked the tables and then Kavi was having some problem with his connection. So we are just starting fraction, okay? Have you heard about fraction, Yugan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to go into the depth of fraction, okay? We will take a dip. You were swimming in water, right? Now we will swim in fractions, okay? Alright. So what do you guys see on the board?
A circle.
A circle or something more interesting, a pizza. Yeah? Let's say this is a pizza. Now, if this pizza has to be distributed between, let's say, Kaniska and you and Kavi, how will I divide? I will just divide it into two parts. Yeah? Kavi gets half, Kaniska gets half. Yeah? So Kavi gets half, which is the red part. Or Kavi gets the part where we have a red circle. Okay, this part. And Kaniska gets the part which has a blue circle. Yeah?
Circle. Correct.
So Kavi gets half and Kaniska gets half.
Okay.
Oh, then we realize Yugan is also in the class. We cannot be unfair to him. Right? If I have a pizza to distribute among all the kids, I cannot be unfair.
I have an idea.
What will I do?
1 divided by 3.
Exactly. So, Kavi, you will get enough chance to answer the questions, okay? Don't rush for it and don't get super excited also. Just stay in full control. Everybody will get enough chance to answer. Now, what did we do? We divided the pizza into 3 parts. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
This part, I'm writing the name itself. Kavi gets one, Yugan gets another one, and Kaniska gets the third piece. How much everybody got?
That isn't fair.
No. So answer the right.
Got 1/3.
Everybody got 1/3, okay?
1 divided by
3. Everybody got 1/3 of the pizza. So Kavi got 1/3, Yugan got 1/3, Kaniska got 1/3. Okay? Now let's look at it. This piece is 1/3, this piece is also 1/3, this piece is also 1/3. If I put them together, what happens?
1 whole.
1 whole, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. When I'm adding the 3, 1/3 plus 1/3, 2/3, 2/3 plus 1/3, 3/3, 3/3, which is 1 whole. Yep. Yep. Is this clear so far?
yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Wait. You guys will get enough chance. Now, so what did we see was, if I distributed the pizza among 3 kids, everybody got 1/3, and when I'm adding all the 1/3, why you have to talk in between, beta? Let me complete. No, again, be mindful of the fact that this is a class for learning things. Don't interrupt the flow of the class. I will give you a chance to answer the questions. I will check with you guys what you have learned. But when I'm talking, don't talk over me. Okay? That is not good. Okay. So now, what did we see was, Kavi, stop playing. What did we see was that if there were two, if it was divided equally, everybody got 1/2. And when we add these two 1/2s, that becomes 2 halves or 1 whole, whatever you call it. Yeah? You can with me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, we saw that when we divided this into 3 parts, everything is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3, plus 1/3 is 3/3. 3/3. 3/3. Do you guys know tic-tac-toe?
Yes.
Yes.
Yugan? Sorry, Kavi, you don't know what is tic-tac-toe? You have never played tic-tac-toe? Okay, now you will play.
You have a square and you have 9 boxes.
Right.
And one person is X, one person is O. And if you get 3 in a row, straight across.
Right.
If you get one of those, then you win.
So we play a different type of tic-tac-toe in math. Okay?
Oh,
That is this. You see this one. you have three third. When I'm adding these three, 1/3 plus 1/3, 2/3 plus 1/3, 3/3, 3/3. That's how I'm writing it. Now, what is a tic-tac-toe? See, you have 1, 3 in the numerator, 1, 3 in the denominator, and you have a multiplication sign. You can do tic-tac-toe. This and this you can cross. What you have? 1. No? Okay. Let's look at 3 circles together. This is one circle, one pizza. This is second circle, second pizza. This is third circle, third pizza. Now here I am dividing among 2 kids. Everybody gets half and half of the pizza. Then I realize, okay, Yugen also has joined, so we should not be unfair to him. So Yugen also gets 1/3, Kanishka gets 1/3, and Kavi gets 1/3. Okay? So this pizza is distributed among 3. Now you guys realize that, oh, my teacher is also there. He should not be hungry. So we'll count the teacher also. So now we are distributing the pizza among 4 people. Everybody gets 1/4 of the pizza. Yeah? What this pizza is made of? 1 half and 1 more half. So 1 half plus 1 half. 2 half. Yeah? What is this pizza made of? 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1 more third. 1/3 plus 1/3. 2/3 plus 1 more third. 3/3. 3/3. What is this pizza made of? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So this is 1/4 plus 1 more fourth. 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Is this part clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah? Kavi, clear? Now the tic-tac-toe I was talking about is this. Here 2 is in the numerator and this 2 is in the denominator. This 2 is the numerator, this is the denominator. Now you guys will say, what is numerator, what is denominator? If I have something written like this is called numerator, this is denominator. Okay? So here you see 2 on the second floor, this 2 is on the first floor. This 3 on the first floor, this is on the second, this is the second floor, this is on the first floor. This is the second floor, this is on the first floor. So when you have a situation like this, you can do tic-tac-toe. This 4, you can do tic-tac-toe. What you are left with? Only 1. This 3 and this 3. Same numbers you can do tic-tac-toe, okay? You have only 1. This 2 and this 2 you can knock off. What you have? Only 1. So 2 halves became 1 whole. 3 1/3 became 1 whole. 4 1/4 became 1 whole. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's say we have more and more friends coming for the party. We have more and more friends coming for the party. Okay, stop singing. Stop singing. Kavi, I want you to be serious. When we are studying, we are only studying for 1 hour in a week. And I give you guys only 5 minutes assignment, 5 minutes of time for memorizing tables and 30 minutes for doing assignment. Anything less than that is not right. Kanishka, take out the cap. Now let's look at this pizza. This is a bigger pizza and we have 10 friends coming. 10 friends coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody gets smaller slice. 1/10 of the pizza. 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 1/10. How many 1/10s we have here? 10. We have 10 1/10s. 10 1/10. What happened, Kavi?
Nothing.
No, so Kavi, I request you to pay attention, be serious in the class, okay? Let's not Let's not keep goofing around. That's not right. I see you getting super excited and then you don't pay attention. That is not right. I want you guys to spend 1 hour with me with full focus, with full commitment. Okay?
Aren't there 11?
What is that?
Aren't there 11?
Why there are 11? Let's count from here. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. And this is 10. Where is the 11th piece? I distributed the pizza among 10 kids only. How will you have 11 pieces? Yeah? Are you with me,
But
Kavi?
there's one there.
Which one?
There. Right. The next to the one.
Next to the 1 is 2. And here you have 10.
I see one more.
No, there's
No,
no.
I'm the last one. The
The-
last
okay,
one.
guys, you guys are wasting your time and everybody's time by talking about it. I just divided it into 10 pieces. How will you have 11 pieces?
Because you have one more piece.
Where is the 1 piece?
Right over there.
Where over there? This piece
Next to the 10.
next to the 10 is 1. There's no 11. This is 1. This is the first piece. This is the second piece. Where is the 11? Why to waste so much time for things that are not needed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where is the 11th piece? See, I getting old, my eyes not working is fine, understandable. You guys have perfectly fine eyes. Why you guys are getting confused? Yeah? Okay, so again, no matter, okay, everybody here, pay attention. Simple thing I said was, I had a pizza and I had 10 kids in the party. That means everybody got 1/10 of the pizza. Everybody got 1/10 of the pizza. And if I look at the whole pizza, that is 10 pieces of 1/10. Yeah? Correct?
Yes, sir.
10 of 1/10. See, this is another tic-tac-toe opportunity. 10 of 1/10 is 1 whole. Yeah? Like 2 of 1/2 is 1. 3 of 1/3 is 1. 4 of 1/4 is 1. 5 of 1/5 is 1. Correct? It's like you divide it and then you're adding them together. Yeah?
Yes.
Now let's look at it. Now let's look at some more interesting facts.
Yes.
What is yes for?
Get it.
Okay. Now let's look at this. Okay, this time let's not talk about pizza this time. What we'll do is we'll give you a garlic bread.
Oh, I love garlic bread.
This is a garlic bread. Okay?
Love it.
And I divided into it among 3 of you. I don't like garlic bread, so I only gave it to you, Kavi, and Yugan, Kanishka. Okay? So everybody gets 1/3 of it. Correct? Yeah? Kavi got 1/3 of the garlic bread, Yugan got 1/3 of the garlic bread, and Kanishka got 1/3 of the garlic bread.
Yes, sir.
If I ask how much garlic bread was shared between Kanishka and Yugan only. So this is Kanishka and this is Yugan and this is Kavi.
How many are there?
I'm saying what is the total of Kanishka and Yugan's garlic bread? Yeah, Yugan, tell me. This is Kanishka and this is Yugan's garlic bread. I'm not counting Kavi's garlic bread right now. I'm saying how much is the garlic bread if I just add Kavi and Kanishka and Yugan's garlic bread. How much is that? Yeah, Kanishka, tell me.
5.
What 5? I have 1/3 of Kanishka and 1/3 of Yugan. How much?
3/3.
Why 3/3? I'm only counting Kanishka and Yugans. I'm not counting this 1/3. I'm counting 1/3 plus 1/3. That is 2/3. Yeah? Or I'm counting like this. So 1/3 of Kanishka and 1/3 of Yugan. If you count this, if you read this as 1/3 as banana, how many bananas we are talking about? 2. This is one banana, this is second banana. 2 bananas. Every banana is 1/3. Yeah? Does it make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you look at another example. Let's say this, I'm going back to the pizza again. Okay, Kanishka here, no distraction please. Okay. I divided this pizza among 4 of us. Kanishka, Yugan, Kavi and Kanishka, Yugan, Kavi and me. Kanishka, Yugan, Kavi and teacher. Okay. If I only talk about Kanishka's piece, how much is that?
1/4.
1/4. If I talk about Kanishka and Yugan, how much is that?
2/4.
2/4. If I talk about Kanishka, Yugan and teacher, how much is that?
3/4.
3/4. If I talk about Kanishka, Yugan, teacher and Kavi all, how much are we talking about?
4/4.
4/4. This is what becomes 1 whole. See, so we are getting used to, or we are able to relate to what does a fraction mean. If somebody says 1/4 and 1/4 is how much? You see, okay, it's 2/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. How much? 1/4 plus 1/4. 1/4 is 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. See, whatever we are saying
4/4.
is what we are writing here. No, this is not 4/4, 3/4. Okay? So, this was just to understand what do we mean by fraction. Okay? And now we will learn something more fun.
But I already know fraction.
You only know 5% of fraction. Okay?
How do you know that?
I will tell you that right now. 4/8 plus 2/9 plus 3/2. How much is that? So what I'm saying is there's a lot to learn. Okay? Don't.
What, sir?
No, Kanishka was saying that she already knows fractions. So I'm asking her, okay, if you know it already, can you add the 3 fractions and tell me how much it is?
I'm gonna do it, but then you're interrupting.
Tell me how do you get it?
So first you add the first one, you add the second one to the first one, so that makes right now 17.
What 17?
Okay, wait.
9 at the top.
So you're saying 9 at the top and 8 plus 9, 17 plus 2, 19 at the bottom. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
And I will give you a perfect 0 for this.
What?
This is not the way we calculate fraction, okay? That's what I'm saying. So don't rush, okay? Okay, stop there. What I'm trying to say is there's a different method for doing fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and that we will all learn. Right now we are just trying to wrap our head around this one. Okay? Now look at this. Just now, I will tell you guys why I'm saying this is wrong. Okay? If you guys remember the example that I was giving you guys, okay? This circle has is been divided, or this pizza is divided among 4 pieces. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. Correct? When we add all of them, what it becomes? When we add all the pieces together, what does it become?
1/4.
I have 1/4, this is 1. Yeah.
4/4.
4/4 or 1 whole, correct? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Now look at whatever you guys were telling me. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. If I add these 4 based on whatever you guys told me, it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
1/4.
4 by 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 16. Is this 1 whole? No, right? This is not the way we add fractions, okay? So that's why I'm saying, whatever you saw here, this is the right thing. This approach of adding this plus this plus this plus this and this plus this plus this plus this is not correct, okay? And we'll learn that. We'll learn that. No rush, no hurry. But as long as you guys understand what a fraction means, how do we relate to that, that will be a good start, okay? Okay? Yeah? Now, let's learn something more fun. If I ask you guys, okay, we are going to learn tic-tac-toe, mathematical tic-tac-toe, okay? If I say 4 into 2 into 6 into 9 divided by 6 into 4 into 3. Is this looking easy or looking difficult? Be honest, it's okay.
It's kind of difficult to like say it in like a few seconds, but it's easy if like you take more time.
I will tell you guys how to make it easy even. Okay? This is what I call as tic-tac-toe. When you have all multiplication in the numerator and denominator, okay? When you have only multiplication sign, okay? Then you can play with it.
I can't see. Can I disconnect and connect?
Yes, please. When you have a situation like this, 4, you have some numbers in the numerator and you have some numbers in the denominator. Okay?
Can I please go to the bathroom, sir?
Yes, please. Now, you were saying that you can multiply 4 by 2, then multiply by 6, then multiply by 9, and that will become your numerator, and you'll multiply 6 by 4, and then multiply by 3, that becomes your denominator, right?
Yes, sir.
I will tell you one magical trick. I see 6 here and I see 6 here. I can do tic-tac-toe. Okay? I see a 4 here and I see a 4 here. I can do tic-tac-toe. What am I left with? 2 into 9 divided by 3. Is this an easy problem to solve?
Yes, sir.
So, again, you will ask me why we are doing it like this.
18 divided by 3.
18 divided by 3. We can even further divide it. Now look at this. 2, 9 I can break it down. I can write 9 as 3 into 3. Okay? I can do tic-tac-toe one more time. 1, 3 and 1, 3 gone. What I'm left with? 2 into 3. What is my answer?
6.
Right? If we would have tried to multiply this with this and then with this, then multiply this, and then we would have tried to divide that, that would have been a monstrous task.
Okay.
But by doing this tic-tac-toe, our job became easy. We could knock off the common terms. 6 and 6, same. Why to? See, it's like you're multiplying something by something and then dividing by something. It's like this, you're multiplying this whole number, all these 3 numbers by 6 and then dividing by 6. It's the same thing, right? 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 4. Same thing, right? 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and then divide that by 4 is 2. Same thing, right? So if you're multiplying and dividing by the same number, you can simply remove them. You don't need them. That's what we do as part of tic-tac-toe. Okay? Let's play one more game. Now since you guys know tic-tac-toe, if I say 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6. What are the numbers that you will knock off first?
First, you x the 3 which is down, and then you x the 3 that is up.
Okay, what else?
The 3 that is down, and then the 3 that is. I mean 4.
Okay, yeah, so Yugen has got this. Okay, let's see what Kanishka, what will you do next? So now this problem looks much easier, right? Now let's yeah, Kavi, you turn on your video first. Okay. Now, so Kavi, what I was telling the kids here is, let's say if you had something like this. We are playing one more game. Okay.
Can I solve this one problem?
Okay. Yeah. I'll come to everybody. Just let me explain this one more time. So when you have common numbers in the numerator and denominator, you can simply knock them off. So Kanishka, tell me what you will knock off.
I have another question.
No, first you answer my question.
Okay. What was it again?
I was saying that you have something like this to be done. One way is you multiply 2 by 3, then multiply by 8, multiply by 4, then multiply by 9. That's going to take your entire night solving it. Then here you multiply this, and then whatever you get by multiplying all these numbers, divide that by this number. That's going to be a big task. I'm telling you guys an easy trick that Yugen said just now. He said, if I see a common number in the numerator and denominator, I will simply do tic-tac-toe. So 4 and 4 I can knock off. Right, Yugen? You said?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this 3 and this 3 also we can knock off. Kavi, are you paying attention? Kanishka, where are you, beta? Here. On the screen.
I'm watching.
Okay, now my problem became simpler because these two numbers are gone. So what I'm left with is 2 into 8 into 9 divided by 6. Can I make it even simpler? How? 2 is a small number, I will not touch that guy. But 8 I can write as 2 into 4, correct? And then I have 9. I can write 9 as 3 into 3, correct? Yeah? Here I have 6. 6 I can write as 2 into 3, correct? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
I have, what I can knock off, Kavi, tell me?
What?
What all I can knock off here? What all I can do tic-tac-toe?
6.
There is no 6 anymore.
Yes.
You have 2 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 3 and here you have 2 into 3. What all I can knock off here, Kavi?
You can knock out the 4?
4 with what? I don't have a 4 here.
No.
It's apple to apple, okay? There's no apples and oranges.
Okay.
So now you can tell me what all I can knock off. You just tell one option, okay? Then I'll go to Kanishka.
I can't see the board.
Okay, I am making it darker for you guys, okay? Can you see it now?
Yes, sir. You could knock off the 3 that is down and knock off the 3 that is up, and knock off the 2 that is down and knock off the 2 that is up.
What am I left with now? There's
2
nothing.
times 4 times 3.
How much is that? 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24.
8 times 3 is, so 8 times 2 is 16. So 8 times 3 is 24.
Yep. See, this problem was looking very big, but by playing with this, we could make it look easier, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is what we call as tic-tac-toe. When you have to multiply multiple numbers, you can always use this technique to make the numbers smaller and then you can play with them. Let's solve one problem and then I'll let you guys go.
Equals 36, the first one.
What is that?
The problem is the first one is 36.
Now you guys solve one for me, okay? Before I let you guys go.
Can I fix the problem?
Yeah, you see the problem now? 6 into 3 into 8 divided by 4 into 2.
Okay, so knock out the 2 that is down
With what?
with 3 that is up.
No, you never deal with apples and oranges. You deal with apples and apples, oranges and oranges, bananas and bananas, watermelon and watermelon.
Yeah, you can only do the same ones.
You can only do the same ones.
But there's no same ones.
You have to create same ones.
Okay, so then, so then 6, 3, so then,
Maybe you can extend it, like you make 6 into 3, 2.
yeah.
Okay, then 3 remains 3. What do I do with 8?
The 8 you make the
Put it down. 8 will stay down.
Wait, let Yugan complete. Yeah, Yugan. 8 becomes what?
I don't know what the 8 becomes into.
Can we not say 8 as 2 into 4?
That's just 2 and 4. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can.
And here I have 4 into 2. Now tell me what all we can knock off.
You can knock off the 4 that is down, knock off the 4 that is up, and knock off the 2 that is down, and knock off the 2
One
that is up.
okay, and make sure that you are only knocking off one at a time, okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 4, 1, 4. You're not knocking off these two, okay? It's only tit for tat. Only 1, 2 kills another 2. 1, 3 kills another 3. That's it.
I have an idea.
Wait, I think the answer
That is up and 3 that is up.
No, you will not knock off the same place.
But then you said matching. What about
No, matching as in 1. Okay, it's like this. Remember this. 3 by 3 is what? 1. How? You say 3, you can write as 3 into 1 and 3 and 3
you can
knock
only
off.
do it like if there's one same at the top and one same at the bottom, or you can.
Then only you can do it. Yeah, you can got it. Never, see, now look at this. I have 2 into 3 into 3, okay? This is equal to 3, 3 is 9 into 2, 18, okay? If you say knock off these two, will you ever say 3 into 3 equal to 1? It will be 3 into 3 equal to 9, right? You're not going to knock off these two. You always knock off when you have something in the numerator and something in the denominator. Something on the second floor, something on the first floor. Never mess with them if they are on the same floor, okay?
Yes.
Okay? Kavi, are you clear? Did you sleep? No, that is not funny. That is not funny, Kavi.
I was sleeping.
No, so 1 hour class, if you guys feel sleepy, that is not right. Make sure that, okay, I will let you guys go. We are done almost. We are not almost done, we are done. But then during the class, you guys are very excited, super energetic when you are playing with emojis or talking nonsense. But when it comes to learning something, you fall sleepy. That is not acceptable, okay? Make sure everybody practices tables. Yugan, I could not check your table today, but I'm assuming that you have memorized them. And we learned something more fun, which we call as tic-tac-toe, and you will see this is a great thing that you'll enjoy. Yep, yeah, Kavi, hey, yeah, Kanishka?
Can I go to table 5?
Not today, beta. Next class, okay? Keep practicing, okay?
Yes,
Yep.
I'm practicing.
Yeah, Yugan.
Today, so first I went to karate and then I just changed my clothes and then I went to swimming and then I changed my clothes and then I came home.
Yeah, but I mean, good that you could join on time. So whatever new thing we learned about understanding fractions. We have not learned entire fraction. We've just learned maybe 1% of fraction, okay? But at least we understood the concept and then we learned this tic-tac-toe, which will help us in doing a lot of interesting calculation when we grow up, okay? So,
I know 6% of.
I'm sorry? What is that?
6% of fractions.
Don't rush. Don't try to grow that fast. We'll take our own time. Okay? We are learning things. We'll keep on learning, and then we'll go to learn everything that we need to. Okay? So with that being said, I'll let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Talk to you guys next
My
Monday.
turn.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.